the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, I am back today with a BTS reaction. I know there are so many pending songs of theirs that I have to react to. But today I have chosen not today. That sounds so weird. So today is not today. Why is this sounding so funny in my head? Alright, so this is a 2017 song, and so I am guessing it's from that DNA era time, and I don't know if this is related to the storyline or not, but we'll find out. And yes, ARMYs, I know there are so many songs, funny videos, this and that I have to react to. I will. Calm down. I will. Don't worry. You know, all of you know I'm reading all the comments. So yes, one by one I will. There's just so much content of BTS alone to react to. I cannot do everything in one day, but slowly I will do it. So kindly be patient. Okay, so I hope you are ready for today's reaction. I am hyped up. Anything related to BTS just gets me hyped. You know that already now. Alright, so without dealing this, I'm just gonna start. Not Today official MV reaction. Yes. Music. You know what? They really are music for healing. Whenever I feel, like lifting my mood a little bit, I actually end up playing a BTS song. So yeah, music and artist for healing. The music is really for healing. Oh my god! Do not tell me this is also a real location, because it might as well be. Oh wow. Oh, that visual is so good. And if it's a real location, please let me know. Which place is this? ARMYs would know. Okay. Hope the subtitles are on. Oh, that's an abandoned parking lot? Yeah, that's a parking lot. Who's that? Oh, it's Namjoon. Got scared. Oh my god, he has purple hair! I think purple is going to become my favorite color now. It's blue actually, but purple is just giving blue very high competition. Oh yes! Ooh. Oh my god! Taeyang again with a bandana! I thought after mic drop I'll never witness it. Oh wow, he looks great. Taeyang looks amazing when he wears the bandana. Oh my god. Okay, no, not today. Oh, so this is like a song where they are not giving up. He's like, we are not giving up. Not today. Today we fight. Not today. Ooh, the beat is so good. It's too good a day to die, yes. Not today. No, not today. Ooh. But still part of this world. Just Namjoon also looked great with a bandana, but I'm just saying Taeyang looks unbelievably good. Extra plus ordinary. Extraordinary. Yes. Ordinary. Wow. Oh my god, look at Jimin's hair color. Is it light pink? Jimin looks great. Oh my god, their choreography! gonna watch that part again when he says ready, aim, fire. Yes. And then it starts. Oh my god. Their choreography is just insane. They have such difficult choreographies. Jimin looks great with that hair color. That's what I feel. Taeyang and Jimin can pull off any hair color. Now. Oh, I love the step. Okay. Ooh, look at Namjoon. Oh my god. I love this when they do that footwork. Oh my god. Never kneel, never die, never. Oh wow. So this is again as this part. They are so much in sync. Like I did that dance practice video reaction of Black Swan. I told you guys in that everything about the hands, footwork, so much in sync. And I love, I shout out to the backup dancers also. I mean, they are also in so much sync with the boys. Oh my god. So this is a song where they are self-motivating them that not today. You know, we can wait for bad things to happen, but it's not gonna happen today. Today is our time. Today we will fight for everything with all our power. We will not, never die, never ask. Shout, not today. Oh wow. Oh, this part is so amazing. This when they start. Look at that footwork. Not today. I love this guy. I love Kim Namjoon. How is he sounding so sexy? So, Too Hot, our charts are doubling. So I think this is the point of time where they started seeing success after Blood, Sweat and Tears. Like their popularity started going in that exponential direction. So I think that is what they mean, right? My success is doubling. Too Hot over the chart, I'm tumbling. So he's sounding so sexy. Yes, J-Hope! Hobi looks great. Yes, stay up with a bandana. Trust the word together, trust that it's bulletproof. So when you're together, it's like, the fist is more powerful than the separate fingers. So if you make it a fist, it's more powerful. So together we are bulletproof. There is a song you guys have been constantly asking me to react to. We are bulletproof. I will react to it. I will. But yes, that's why I remember that there is a song that you have asked me. We are bulletproof, the Eternals. That is the song name, right? Oh, that dance break! Woo! Yes! This looks CGI. This doesn't look like a real location. It looks CGI. My god, I'll die if you tell me that this is also a real location and they actually made that ice thing. Woo! This footwork is insane! They did not make this icy stage, right? It looks CGI. Look at that. How is that a real location? Maybe the mountains are real, but I don't think the stage is real. But it looks so. Look at this visual. I can just every video there is some visual that you can just screenshot and just make it as a wallpaper. Oh my god! I want to see that footwork again. That footwork is so good. Oh yes! Jungkook looks great. Jungkook looks great. Woo! That background score. So who's killing them? And why is Jungkook not dying? Is this part of the storyline again? This doesn't look like part of the storyline. But why are people killing them? I mean, it could be that they are moving ahead, but there are still people who are trying to bring them down. Is that the case? See? Woo! Oh my god! That marching thing when they did, how are they so good? This part, oh my goodness. They are amazing. They are just amazing. Oh, this footwork. This is the favorite part of the song. Not today. Yes! Oh my god. I am tired at this point saying again and again that how amazing these guys are. Okay, first let me shut this thing. What do you want me to say? Whatever praises I have to sing for these guys, I think I have. I don't have words and adjectives left to praise these guys. Everybody looks so good. But I didn't see, again, Jin, you know what? Jin, I didn't see him singing. He doesn't have lines. I think here, I feel the rap line had a lot, like Namjoon had a lot of verses. I think he was singing like the beginning, even in the middle when he starts too hot, and then at the end also he was only singing. Then Hobi also has good verses. Even Yoongi in the beginning verse. So Jin didn't get any lines in this song, I'm guessing. Okay. He has such a beautiful voice. Why? This I have noticed, like, remember when I did my Epiphany reaction, I said that, somehow I have started to notice that Jin has very, very less lines. But I feel he has such a beautiful voice. Oh my god. So please let me know what is the deal. Like, why doesn't he get many lines? And he's like the main visual, is supposed to be the main visual in the. So I'm sure his job is not to just be the visual. I think he has a very, very beautiful voice. This song, this is going to be the song which I add next to my workout playlist. On is already there on my workout playlist, that is such a energetic song, and this is going to be the next song that I play during my workout when you are, all feeling down. Then I can sing not today, not today, not today, and then I will feel all motivated. Oh wow, I love the energy of this song. I think this is sort of a self-motivation song only, I feel. But let me know if this is somehow connected to the storyline. Maybe I'm missing something and I'm not able to connect it properly. So I love this song. At this point, I feel they do not have any bad songs. I am convinced, I am 100% convinced they don't have any bad song. And again, like I said, the range of music that they have. I mean, imagine having a song like Black Swan. Imagine having a song like Not Today. They are poles apart, but it's from the same group, and I feel that is so good that they have such variety in their songs. And oh, I finally listened to the song Butterfly. It blew me away. I love, oh my god, Jungkook's vocals in Butterfly is insane. Even Taeyang. Oh my god, I love that song. I will see if there is a performance. You guys told me there is a performance video of Butterfly. I'll search for it. But I know now the lyrics, the meaning, because I listened to the song with the lyric video. Beautiful song, beautiful song. I wish it had a proper MV. I really wished after watching that song, I mean after watching the lyric video and the listening to the song, I wish that it had it had an official MV, because so soulful and beautiful. So yes, I finally know of the song Butterfly also, and this song is amazing. This is getting added to my workout playlist. This is just, I'm gonna blast this song when I work out in the morning. So yes guys, that was my reaction to BTS Not Today, and I don't know, I'm thinking which is the next song I should react to. I know there are a lot of songs, maybe Bulletproof the Eternals, or I don't know. War of Hormones, I know I will react to the dance. I have already told you I'll react to the practice video, not the MV. But I'm thinking maybe the next MV I can react to is Bulletproof the Eternals. Let me know guys. Or is there another MV that I should react to? So yeah, that was it guys for me. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover. A lot of K-pop content coming up for you. So yes guys, that's it from me. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.